was getting, somebody bought, it's like electric. What the hell is that? It's a heater. Doesn't she not know what she's talking about? That's the heater. She's trying to blame people for buying. That's an electric heater. That's her heater that she had. Why she acted? She don't know what she's doing. She thought somebody bought a refrigerator. I don't know why she likes to play stuff off. It's kind of annoying. Okay. Oh, it's kind of annoying. It is what it is. So, I'm like the help here. Because, so all you do is just sit on it. We're supposed to, it's not even though. You're supposed to do it even, but since it's crooked, I couldn't do it even. So, you just bend this like that. Okay. There we go. I don't know why they do that. It's ridiculous. People. All these flies in there. It's practical. Look how easy that was done. Voila. Ridiculous. People want to make a problem. Okay, so I was crooked. I was being sweet, whatever. I'll pray for now. Eat really quick my rice, come out and go get coffee with my brother. Inshallah, no video. You can drop out. Okay, so alhamdulillah. Yeah, bye. Adios amigos. Keep your head up and stay strong. Bye.